Do you know that you can claim HRA tax exemption and home loan tax deductions at the same time? Hi friends, proper tax planning helps you save taxes and also achieve your financial goals. Do you want to do efficient tax planning? Well, it's best to start your tax planning at the beginning of the financial year to avoid any last minute surprises which may prove costly indeed. After all, a rupee saved is a rupee earned. Hello and welcome. I am Simran from Clear, India's largest financial services platform. And in today's video, I will tell you what is house rent allowance or the HRA tax exemption and what are the tax benefits you get on availing a home loan. I will also tell you whether you can claim both HRA tax exemption and home loan tax deductions at the same time. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our latest videos. You may get house rent allowance or HRA as part of your salary for expenses related to your rental accommodation. However, unlike your basic salary, which is fully taxable, a part of your HRA is exempt from taxes under Section 10, 13A of the Income Tax Act of 1961. First, you can get HRA tax exemption only if you are a salaried employee who has HRA as part of your salary structure and you reside at a rented accommodation. Second, you must opt for the old income tax regime to get the HRA tax exemption. The tax exemption you get on HRA is the minimum of: first, the actual HRA you receive; second, 50% of your salary if you live in metro city and 40% of your salary if you live in a non-metro city; third, actual rent you pay minus 10% of your salary. Here, salary is defined as basic salary plus DNS allowance plus commission based on a fixed percentage of turnover achieved by the employee. Now, let's take a look at tax benefits you get by availing a home loan. First, you can claim a maximum tax deduction up to Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year on the principal repayment of your home loan under Section 80C of the IT Act of 1961. It also includes stamp duty and registration charges which can only be claimed once. Second, you get a maximum tax reduction up to Rs 2 lakh per financial year under Section 24 for interest repayments on your home loan. Third, you can avail a home loan jointly with spouse or some eligible family members where every co-applicant can avail of home loan tax deductions on the principal and interest amount separately up to the maximum limit. However, all co-applicants must be co-owners of the property and contribute towards the home loan repayment. Fourth, you can also claim tax benefits on a home loan availed for an under construction property. However, the interest you pay on the home loan can be claimed in equal parts in 5 financial years within the overall annual limit of Rs 2 lakh only after the construction is complete or you get possession of the property. Moreover, the construction of your house or property must be completed within 5 years of availing the home loan. You can also claim the tax deduction on home loan principal amount up to Rs 1.5 lakh per year. And fifth, you also get a tax deduction on home loan interest payments up to Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year under Section 80 EEA for home loans taken for affordable housing subject to certain conditions. Moreover, it's over and above the tax deduction you get on home loan interest payments up to Rs 2 lakh per financial year under Section 24. I hope by now you must have understood how you can avail HRA tax exemption and also make use of home loan tax benefits to save on taxes. Don't you think you should use tax exemptions and tax deductions to save taxes? If yes, then please send yes in the comment section below. Now let's understand if you can claim the HRA tax exemption and home loan tax deductions at the same time. Yes, you can claim both the HRA tax exemption and the home loan tax deductions if you meet certain eligibility criteria. First, you must be a salaried employee as the self-employed professionals cannot avail the HRA tax exemption. Second, you must have an HRA component as part of your salary structure. Third, you must be staying at a rented accommodation. If you reside at your own house or don't pay rent, then you cannot claim the HRA tax exemption. Now, let's take a look at the conditions under which you can claim both the HRA tax exemption and the tax deductions on home loan principal and interest amounts at the same time. However, it gets a bit tricky if you buy a property with a home loan and stay at a rented accommodation in the same city. Well, you definitely can if you meet the eligibility criteria. However, you must show documentary evidence such as rent receipts and banking transactions between you and your parents. Your parents must show the rental income while filing ITR. You can still avail both HRA exemption and home loan tax benefits if you take up rented accommodation even in the same city. For example, the property you own may be far away from your workplace and you have taken rental accommodation near your place of work. However, you must have a valid and logical reason for staying at a rented accommodation while owning a house in the same city, or you will come under the scanner of the income tax department. Well, you can avail both the HRA tax exemption and home loan tax deductions as long as you actually pay rent for your accommodation when availing of the home loan tax deductions. Yes, you can claim the HRA tax exemption and the tax deduction on the home loan principal amount under Section 80C if you meet the eligibility criteria. However, the interest you pay on the home loan can be claimed in equal parts in 5 financial years within the overall annual limit of Rs 2 lakh only after the construction is complete. Moreover, the construction of your house or property must be completed within 5 years of availing the home loan. As long as you satisfy the conditions for claiming the HRA tax exemption on rented accommodation and conditions for claiming tax deductions for the home loan, you can claim both the HRA tax exemption and home loan tax deductions at the same time. Received some valuable information through this video? Then please hit like and share this video with your friends who may find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get access to more tax related videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.